So let's move on to the next question, guys. In this question, we are given that there are total 48 bottles and there are two sizes of bottles. One size is 20 ounce and the other size is 40 ounce, right? And the average volume of the bottle is 35 ounce, right? So we have to find out how many 40 ounce bottles are there, right? So again, pretty simple stuff. What we do is that let's assume there are X bottles of 20 ounce, right? And there are Y bottles of 40 ounce. I hope this should be clear. So we have assumed that there are X bottles of 20 ounce and Y bottles of 40 ounce, right? So how many total bottles are there? Total bottles are 48. So that means the first equation which we can get is X plus Y is equals to 48. I hope this should be pretty clear because the total number of bottles is 48. So X plus Y is equals to 48. So this is one equation, right? Okay. Now we know that the average volume is 35 ounce. So what do we mean by average volume? So average volume means, for example, this bottle has 20 ounce, right? So X bottles will have total how much volume? 20X, right? So if one bottle has 20 ounce of volume, so X bottle will have total 20X of volume, right? So 20X plus this one bottle has 40 ounce of volume. So total of Y bottles will have how much volume? 40Y, right? So whenever we calculate the mean, we calculate the sum, right? So this is the sum of the total volume, right? And in the denominator, we have the total number. So this is the sum of the total volume of all the bottles, 20 into X and 40 into Y. So we added that. And what is the total number of bottles? Total number of bottles is 48. So upon 48. So this is the average amount of volume in one bottle. And what is the average amount of volume in one bottle? 35. So this equals to 35. I hope this should make sense. There should be no problem in this. So now you can easily solve this and you can get the answer of X and Y. Yeah, so if you want me to solve, then let's take 20 common from here. So we get X plus 2Y upon 48 is equals to 35. So this is 5, 7, 5, 4. This is 4, 12, 12, 7, 84. So what we get is that X plus 2Y is equals to 84. X plus 2Y is 12, 7, 84. And we know X plus Y is equals to 48. So we just subtract both of them. So we will get what? Y is equals to, this will cancel. So we will get Y is equals to how much? 36. Right. So we had to find how many 40 ounce bottles are there. 40 ounce bottles are how many? Y. And Y is 36. So your final answer becomes 36. I hope this should be absolutely clear.